General knowledge. Combination vehicles. Test 1. If the fifth wheel plate is not greased, A. It will overheat. B. Steering problems and damage can occur. C. It will rust. D. The trailer will slide off. The correct answer is B. Steering problems and damage can occur. Explanation. Friction between the tractor and trailer can cause steering issues hard to turn and wear. What fifth wheel condition is unsafe? A. Greased surface. B. Dry plate. C. Loose mounting bolts. D. Normal wear. The correct answer is C. Loose mounting bolts. Explanation. Loose mounts can cause separation. What indicates improper fifth wheel locking? A. Even contact. B. Normal noise. C. Gap between plate and apron. D. No movement. The correct answer is C. Gap between plate and apron. Explanation. A gap suggests miscoupling. What fifth wheel component reduces friction? A. Mounting bolts. B. Grease plate. C. Release handle. D. Locking jaw. The correct answer is B. Grease plate. Explanation. Grease allows smooth articulation. What is the crack the whip effect? A. When the tractor brakes too hard. B. When the rear of the trailer swings out due to quick steering movements. C. A method for uncoupling. D. A type of engine brake. The correct answer is B. When the rear of the trailer swings out due to quick steering movements. Explanation. Quick steering movements can cause the trailer to swing out or roll over. This is rearward amplification. Which vehicle in a combination is most likely to roll over? A. The tractor. B. The trailer, especially the last one. C. The front axle. D. None. The correct answer is B. The trailer, especially the last one. Explanation. Trailers usually have a higher center of gravity and are subject to the crack the whip effect. When driving a combination vehicle, you should steer A. Quickly and sharply. B. Gently and smoothly. C. With one hand. D. Jerky. The correct answer is B. Gently and smoothly. Explanation. Gentle steering prevents rollovers and keeps the trailer stable. Trucks with trailers have a dangerous blind spot where? A. Directly in front. B. Directly behind the trailer. C. On the roof. D. On the left side. The correct answer is B. Directly behind the trailer. Explanation. You cannot see directly behind the trailer This is a major hazard when backing. When backing a tractor trailer, if the trailer starts to drift off path, you should A. Speed up. B. Turn the wheel the opposite way. C. Pull forward to reposition the vehicle. Pull up. D. Ignore it. The correct answer is C. Pull forward to reposition the vehicle. Pull up. Explanation: don't fight a bad angle. Pull forward to straighten the vehicle and try again. What is off-tracking? A. Driving off the road. B. When the rear wheels follow a different, shorter path than the front wheels. C. Skipping gears. D. Driving fast. The correct answer is B. When the rear wheels follow a different, shorter path than the front wheels. Explanation: rear wheels of the trailer cheat or cut the corner during a turn. When making a turn, the longer the vehicle. A. The less off-tracking it has. B. The more off-tracking cheating it has. C. The easier it is to turn. D. The faster you can go. The correct answer is B. The more off-tracking cheating it has. Explanation: longer vehicles have a greater difference between the path of the front and rear wheels. The trailer hand valve trolley valve should be used. A. For normal braking. B. To park the vehicle. C. To test the trailer brakes. D. To steer. The correct answer is C. To test the trailer brakes. Explanation: using the hand valve for normal driving can cause trailer skids. Use it mainly for testing. The tractor protection valve is designed to A. Protect the trailer. B. Keep air in the tractor brake system if the trailer breaks away. C. Cool the engine. D. Lock the doors. The correct answer is B. Keep air in the tractor brake system if the trailer breaks away. Explanation: it closes to save the tractor's air supply so you can still stop the tractor. The tractor protection valve will close automatically if air pressure falls too. A. 20 to 45 psi. B. 60 to 80 psi. C. 100 psi. D. 10 psi. The correct answer is A. 20 to 45 psi. Explanation: when pressure drops this low, the valve pops out, activating the trailer emergency brakes. The trailer air supply control is a knob that is A. Yellow and diamond-shaped. B. Red and octagon-shaped. C. Blue and round. D. Green and square. The correct answer is B. Red and octagon-shaped. Explanation: the red octagon knob controls the air supply to the trailer. To supply air to the trailer, you must A. Pull the red knob out. B. Push the red knob in. C. Turn the knob left. D. Hit the knob. The correct answer is B. Push the red knob in. Explanation. Pushing it in supplies air. Pulling it out shuts off air and applies trailer emergency brakes. The service airline blue is controlled by A. The parking brake. B. The foot brake or the trailer handbrake. C. The engine. D. The compressor. The correct answer is B. The foot brake or the trailer handbrake. Explanation. The service line sends air to the trailer brakes only when you apply the brakes. The emergency air line red does what? A. Supplies constant air pressure to the trailer tanks. B. Controls the turn signals. C. Operates the service brakes. D. Cools the tires. The correct answer is A. Supplies constant air pressure to the trailer tanks. Explanation. It fills the trailer tanks and keeps the spring brakes released. What happens if the service airline blue comes apart while driving? A. The trailer brakes will lock up immediately. B. You will lose braking power on the trailer when you push the pedal. C. The engine stops. D. The tractor brakes fail. The correct answer is B. You will lose braking power on the trailer when you push the pedal. Explanation. The service brakes won't work, but the emergency brakes won't lock up unless air leaks rapidly. What happens if the emergency air line red comes apart while driving? A. Nothing. B. The trailer emergency brakes will come on immediately. C. You will lose tractor brakes. D. The radio turns off. The correct answer is B. The trailer emergency brakes will come on immediately. Explanation. Loss of emergency line pressure triggers the trailer's spring brakes to lock. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. Download our app and keep studying on the go. Scan the QR code to get started.